experience team located throughout the park. Please note, the virtual queue will be used for the Star Wars Rise of the Resistance attraction only, and does not apply to other shows and attractions at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Thank you, and enjoy your time here at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Join the boarding crew.
Good for you, because mine froze.
Where are you?
83. This is not going to take long.
So which way are you going? You're going.
I'm gonna do this. And you're doing the flip.
And now we're all like refreshing for the next.
Focus on your phone and don't listen.
I didn't actually scream once I got it. I was so like relieved. It was just like, oh. And we.
Are you guys able to get in?
Yes.
Yesterday we did, yeah.
This is ridiculous that we're all refreshing on something that doesn't technically open yet.
One more minute.
It keeps pausing every so often.
Yep, that's what happened to me yesterday. Watch out. Maybe
No.
stop for a minute. It's like the ball dropping.
Ball drop. That's what they need. They just need a giant ball dropping somewhere so we know.
I think you're better off staying there.
Any second now. Problem is you need somebody with a countdown that's giving you the countdown to the hour.
There you go, that's it.
Welcome to Disney's Hollywood Studios. A virtual queue is being used for admission to the Star Wars Rise of the Resistance attraction. Guests hoping to confront the First Order in Star Wars Rise of the Resistance should join the virtual queue through the My Disney Experience app or with the assistance of the guest experience team located throughout the park. Please note, the virtual queue will be used for the Star Wars Rise of the Resistance attraction
Where's
only.
Chelsea? Why are you
And
not
does
in
not
here?
apply to other shows
You
and
have her?
attractions at
Get her.
Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Chelsea,
Okay.
Thank you, and enjoy your time here at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
you were party 2, what? Come on, come on. Yes, 25.
I think I have you. You're only a party of 2. I have you.
I have you. How did I get you and Chelsea and not me?
Where's the guest services team?
Group 25.
Yeah, it's you and Chelsea.
Oh, I got one.
I got you at 40, 58.
Keep trying.
They're not saying they're all gone. I missed it even say come up.
You need to go find.
How in the world am I in your group alone?
How am I in you? How are you? I am in. But not.
They need to. We each got a boarding. So it's not like they're adding somebody that doesn't have one.
Yes, we're different, but
I don't understand how I got one for you two and she got one for me.
that's really weird. And then when mine came up to join, it just threw
One
me
into.
here.
Did they get one?
Oh, they lost people who are already in the boarding group. So go to my staff.
Now that you've seen how to do it, let's walk you through it. Here's what we learned. Before we talk about the how, we need to talk about your app and your phone. These next steps need to be tested before you get to the park, or while you're waiting for the park to open. Test your phones. Who has the fastest phone in the group? The best way to do this is to see who can make a fast pass. The quickest one wins, and will be the phone that makes the boarding group. One phone, one person per group. Now that you know which phone to use, take a minute and make sure you are all friends and family in the My Disney Experience app. Also, delete anyone that's not currently with you. Don't worry, you can always refriend them later. Arriving. Have a plan for your mode of transportation in the morning. Know when the buses run and how many stops they will take before they head to the park. Know when the Skyliner starts at your resort and how long your ride will be. If you're walking, know how quickly you can walk to get to the park. If you're using a ride share, plan on going earlier to avoid traffic, parking toll backups, as well as the ride share line. Remember, your whole group must be scanned into the park to be able to join. Once your group is scanned in, you will want to take the phone you will be using off the Disney Wi-Fi. Remember, just one phone and one person in their My Disney Experience account to get the boarding group for your whole group. 10 minutes prior to the park opening, you will want to have the app open and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, you will want to click Find Out More under the Rise of the Resistance tab. When the park opens, there's a chime. This is when you want to start refreshing the page. Once the Join Boarding Group comes up, click on it. Add all of your members and wait to see your boarding group number. Congrats! Now you will be in the virtual queue for Rise of the Resistance. Make sure your notifications for your My Disney Experience app are turned on your phone. Your app will notify you when it's your time to ride Rise of the Resistance. Should you run into any troubles, the cast members with the iPads near the entrance of Rise of the Resistance will be able to help you. Thanks for joining us. This is Jen from Simple Luxuries Travel. Make sure you like our page and subscribe for more information.